Hey, this is Mitya from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to process your hi-hats by using RitMix. Creating hi-hat patterns that are both interesting and rewarding may be challenging for the even most experienced music producers who are programming the drum grooves. There is no doubt that these high frequencies, which are where the majority of the hi-hat sounds are centered, have to be placed right in the overall mix. Otherwise, the mix will lose its balance and clarity. By bearing this in mind, in the next tutorial, I will show you a few steps on processing your hi-hats by using RitMix. As you can see from the project, I generated a hi-hat sequence using the RitMix drum machine. I also tweaked the amp and pitch envelope settings, as well as used a humanizer to pan the hi-hat pattern. Finally, I processed the sequence using the built-in beat crusher. Let's hear how the processed hi-hat sequence sounds solo and in the contents of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.